Imagine a tiny seed buried deep in a mountain, fighting through rocks and darkness until one day it blooms into a beautiful flower. That's your startup journey. Starting a business sounds exciting, right? But 90% of startups fail. So, what's the secret sauce to be in the 10% that make it? Step 1. Know why you're doing this. Is it money, passion, or solving a real problem? Without a strong why, you'll lose motivation fast. Next, test your idea. Talk to people. Get feedback. Don't build in a bubble. The market will tell you if your idea can fly. Don't wait for perfect. Build a simple version first and improve as you go. Done is better than perfect. You can't do it alone. Find people who believe in your vision, mentors, partners, or customers. They'll lift you up. Last but not least, grit matters. When things get tough, and they will, keep pushing. The mountain won't climb itself. Let me tell you about Sarah. She lost money, faced rejection 100 times, but her flower finally bloomed. Today, her startup helps thousands. Sarah almost quit. Investors said no. Her friends laughed. Her family told her to get a real job. But sometimes the darkest night is just before the sunrise. Just when she was about to give up, a message popped up. A stranger's life changed because of her. That moment, Sarah realized she wasn't just building a startup. She was building impact. Her app got 1 sale, then 2, then 5. It wasn't viral, but it was growing. And sometimes, success doesn't come in explosions. It comes in quiet consistency. She climbed slowly. Some days she slipped. Some days she soared. But one day, the mountain looked back and said, "Welcome. You earned it." She didn't just bloom herself. She became the reason others did too. The seed that once struggled in. The dark now became a tree giving shade to dreamers. She looked in the mirror and saw 2 versions of herself. One who gave up and one who kept going. She smiled because she became the one who didn't quit. Now it's your turn. The pain, the fear, the doubt, they'll be there. But so will the dream. So take the first step. Plant your seed. Let the mountain test you. And one day, it'll bloom too. So, are you ready to plant your seed? Remember, every big mountain starts with a single step. Follow these 5 steps, stay hungry, stay humble, and watch your dream blossom. The mountain is waiting for you. Enjoyed it? Then go ahead, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.